My wrists are weak. That's what everyone tell themselves right after 8 push-ups and 1 dramatic handshake. This is how a basic exercise turns into a joint complaint. Let me explain. Your chest can handle push-ups, your triceps can handle push-ups, and your confidence can apparently handle 100 of them. But your wrists, they are not convinced, because while everyone thinks push-ups are about upper body strength, your wrists know they're really a mobility test under pressure. In the bottom of a push-up, your hand is pinned flat to the floor while your body weight shifts forward over it. That bends the wrist backward into extension. In a healthy wrist, that's fine. Force spreads well, load transfers cleanly, and everything works like it should. But if you don't have enough range there, your body starts cheating. Pressure dumps into the heel of the palm, elbows flare out, shoulders roll forward, and your fingers grip the floor like you're hanging off a cliff. It may still look like a push-up, but internally, it's chaos. And chaos repeated 30 times gets expensive. But mobility is only half the problem. Stability matters too. Your wrist isn't one solid block, it's a stack of small bones, ligaments, tendons, and muscles that need to stay organized while force moves through them. If that support system is weak, delayed, or never trained, the floor exposes it immediately. That clicking sound you hear? Sometimes harmless, sure, sometimes maybe customer feedback, don't you think? Then comes the classic mistake. You spend all week typing, scrolling, and avoiding movement entirely. Then motivation suddenly returns on a random Tuesday night, and suddenly it's 60 floor push-ups. Your tissues were not informed. Joints adapt slowly. Tendons adapt slowly too. Connective tissue adapts, especially slowly. Motivation? Well, that adapts instantly. Which is the problem. So what actually works? First, change the angle. Use things like push-up bars, dumbbells, your fists, or elevate your hands. Neutral wrists are usually happier wrists. Second, build extension gradually. Gentle mobility work, controlled rocks, time under load. Third, strengthen the system. Work on the forearms muscles. Improve grip strength, shoulder control, and scapular stability. Because pain loves showing up at the weakest link. Think of it like this. Right now, your wrists are door hinges being asked to hold up a heavy wall. If the hinges are stiff, weak, or unstable, every rep feels terrible. So, if push-ups hurt your wrists, it's not because push-ups are bad. It's not because your wrists are fragile. It's a support system being overloaded in a position it never prepared for. So, work to rebuild the system. And next time you drop for push-ups, your chest will quit before your wrists do.